is me Arya Tasneem for the famous English Language Center Bangladesh. We're gonna be tell each important question. Today she is my partner.
Hello everybody, my name is Akhilita Shams. We are from the famous English Language Center Bangladesh. Today we are going to discuss some important questions. So let's begin it.
Where do you live?
Well, I live at Balghat Cantonment. What does your father do?
Well, my father is a service holder. What does your mother do?
Well, my mother is a service holder. Okay. What does your mother do?
Well, my mother is a housewife. Where do you really read? Where do you read?
Well, I read at ELC. Okay. What does your sister do?
Well, my sister goes to coaching. What does your sister do in the morning?
Well, my sister also goes in the coaching in the morning. Okay. What do you do in the morning?
Well, I go to school in the morning. What do you do in the noon?
Well, I eat my lunch in the noon. Okay. What does your sister do in the morning?
Well, my sister. Wait, I tell that. I tell it.
Just answer it.
Well, my sister goes to school in the morning.
Okay. Let's finish.
Why do you go to ELC?
Well, I go to ELC to learn English.
Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.